Hello, how are you? This is a video testimonial for one of my great mentors, Dr. Ope Banwo. Some years ago, not too long ago, but it looks like a long time, I ran into a conference which he organized, and one of the most prominent facilitator at that event was, of course, Alicia Lito. And that particular event has turned my life around. I was able to learn a lot of things about freelancing, and of course, that has changed everything for me. This is a shout out to Doctor for all the great things that you've been doing for us in Nigeria. And a lot of us have picked up the torch, and we're carrying that all over the place. Personally, I've been able to train over 3,000 people on the same subject, and we've been able to turn lives around. Dr. Ope has been doing a very great job taking young people from despondency to wealth, and he calls himself the apostle of wealth, and I think that is very apt. That absolutely describes his person and what he's been doing. Great job, Doctor. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.